awesome.
Hi friends, welcome to SuperXavierToys.
And what do we have for today?
Hotwheels.
Let me see.
Hotwheels.
Hotwheels.
Husband Sky.
SPEEDTROPOLIS. 3 levels of action. Let me see what's this.
This is Hotwheels.
Let's take a look at the back. There's a car lift, drive-through food court, diverter.
And that's the Corvette.
Yeah, it comes with 1 car.
Those are speeding.
Are you ready to open it?
Yeah, I'm the second.
Yay! Let's open it. Whoa!
This is instruction.
Instructions?
And stickers.
Stickers. And Daddy will assemble it.
Yay, I'm the second. I know.
What's that?
This is the truck for the car. This is how the open this is the car, and this is how the the car. This is Mom, Daddy, get the car, Dad. Daddy, get the car, Dad. And they get the car.
What's the magic word?
Please, Daddy, press that. Get the car, please.
Okay.
Sit down.
This is sticker.
Yeah.
Daddy. Whoa, Corvette.
Nice car.
This is a Corvette car.
I think it's not.
No, it's car. And that is simple it.
Oh my.
And it's done. You like it?
Yeah, on the SuperXavierToys.
Whoa. That's awesome.
This is a ride for the car. Go up. This is do it again.
Do it again. Wow. Uh-oh. You can get your other Hot Wheels and they're gonna race.
You go to it.
Yeah.
This is how this rides.
Whoa.
This is how this rides the car, and this is the truck that move.
The tractor that does stuff too?
Yeah.